What is up, everybody? Welcome to Fire Eats and Treats. My name is Damon, and today we're making imitation crab salad. This dish works great as a side or enjoy it as a snack. I love crab salad because I love any food with crab in the title. And although we're using imitation crab meat, this recipe is the real deal. So let's go. To make this delicious crab salad recipe, start by dicing your celery. Celery adds a wonderful color for presentation. Plus, it will also give your dish a crisp and refreshing texture with every bite. For this recipe, you'll need 1/4 cup of celery, which is about 1 stalk. Next, let's prepare some chopped shallots by mincing them into tiny pieces to ensure even distribution. Now measure out 8 ounces of your favorite imitation crab meat and chop it into bite-sized pieces. I like for my portions to be a little larger, but you can chop your crab to any shape and size that you desire. Now, in a medium-sized bowl, add your chopped crab meat, your diced celery, and your chopped shallots. Find ingredients, exact amounts, and equipment used in the video description. Now give it a mix until everything is evenly distributed. When you're done with that, set it aside because it's time for our sauce mixture. In a smaller bowl, add your mayonnaise, lemon juice, white pepper, paprika, salt, sugar, and dried dill. Now give the sauce mixture a good stir until all the ingredients are well combined. Now doesn't that look delicious? Next, add the dressing to the other ingredients and we're almost done. Now stir it all together until everything is well mixed and fully coated with our dressing. Make sure to give it a good mix so that all those wonderful flavors will meld together. Once everything is nice and creamy, cover with the lid and let chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. After that, I guarantee it's gonna be fire. Transfer to your serving dish of choice and your crab salad is ready to eat. All right, our crab salad is nice and chilled. I like to enjoy it on a cracker, and so that's what I'm having here today. And it's just me, so you're just gonna have to trust me that this is fire. Here we go. We did all right. We did great. What I like about it, it's got the perfect amount of sweet, of tang, of great crab flavor. And just a nice crunch with this cracker just tops it off and goes perfectly with it. It's got that hint of dill that just gives it that nice, whatever that is, that dill do. It's the real deal. You know what I'm saying, right? All right, it's delicious. I would recommend you give this a try. It's awesome. And I'm just gonna eat the rest of this because it is fire. And there you have it, folks. This imitation crab salad is definitely one for the books. You can enjoy it as a side dish, as a main dish, or as an appetizer. No matter how you make it, I guarantee you'll enjoy it. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can be notified when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Later.